So you're charging the Pixel 8, but it's not actually receiving any charge. So the first fix is we're just going to press and hold power and volume up for 10 seconds. This will initiate a force restart. This will help if the screen is completely black and it's not charging. So we'll just wait around 10-ish seconds. If your screen is black, I will do 20 just to be safe. And then a release from both buttons. And if the phone is now turning on, excellent. If this is not the problem, you connect to the charger, the phone's on, but it's not charging, then it's the charging port which needs a little clean. So if you get a torch or flashlight, you'll be able to see inside of the port. And this is a clear port, but if yours has grime or dirt, we need to get rid of it. So what we need is either a thin needle, I think these are pliers or tweezers, something really thin. You would have seen that at the very center there's that connector for the charger. If you accidentally scrape that, don't worry. But what we're going to do is we're going to insert the thin device at the very bottom right, scrape across, and then push up. And repeat this action a bunch of times, and you should see dirt starting to come out of the port. Do the same for the very top. Push down, scrape across, and push up. Again, if you accidentally hit this at the very center, the connector at the very center, don't worry, it's not the end of the world, but you don't want to be doing too much force, otherwise you may cause damage. And then once that's done, you probably may notice that if you just connect the charger, it fully clicks in. You may not have heard that click before, but now you do, and hopefully that solves the problem.